Common mistakes that happen in rumba. Ah, don't do that. It makes me nuts. Hey, Cyrus and Lee Wan today. We're gonna be doing some rumba with you.
So today we are doing a side-by-side routine for you because you might be by yourself. And this way you can practice doing your rumba solo.
Footwork. Starting off, cucaracha to the right. You've got side right, replace the left, close the right foot. Another cucaracha. So it's going to be side left, replace the right, close the right foot. Back on the right, rock step, replace to your left. Now you're going to come all the way across with that right foot. Now it's going to be 3 rumba walks. So you're going to go left, right, and left. 3 more rumba walks right back to where you were, right, and left, and right. Check forward with that left leg. Now add a ronde to it and hook it behind. You'll shift your weight onto the left foot. It's going to be a slow turn. Right, left, right, and then close the left foot. Go right back to the very beginning. Nice. Timing. This is going to be a mirror image. This is your right side. And we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, come across, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, hook that foot on, 4, 1, syncopate on, and you're going to go 2, close the foot, 3, step, and 4. Hold that 1, and we're ready for the beginning. 2. Bonus tips. Common mistakes that happen in rumba. One of the main problems is the hip and the foot just kind of go, he. Ah! Don't do that! Makes me nuts! We want the hip to go on the step. No. We want the hip to go when you're not stepping. What do I mean? Get the engine moving. Yeah, now we get that engine going. And then we get and step. And then we can use that. And so don't step and hip together. First do your body action on the opposite side to where you're gonna step, and then step. Hip action, and then step. Hip action, right there. Now I can step this way. Hip action, hey, then I can step. So this is driving every single step. We're gonna do that cucaracha in the very beginning, and then I can step. 2, body action, and step. 3, body action, and 4, 1. Should I do body action now? Yeah, then I could take a step over here. Wow. Okay, is it body action, then you step. You know what to do. Don't be stepping and hipping. Be hipping and then stepping. Hipping and then stepping. Hipping and stepping. Of course, that's how it works. You're gonna be so good at rumba. I love you. Oh my God. Oh, I'm okay, sorry. Is rumba the dance of romance? Or is rumba the dance of seduction? Who gives a shit? You do your rumba the way you want to do the rumba. You get to make it your own rumba. You want to be about seduction, romance, your ex-boyfriend that you can't stand, it could be anything. You make your rumba the way you need to be. Well, we hoped you enjoyed being seduced or seducing someone with that. And be sure to dance your rumba with lots and lots of body action and passion.
And what's over there?
That's a free video over there.
Yeah.
But the subscription is even freer because you're getting a whole bunch of free stuff. You save money by subscribing. I'm Liwen, and this is Titus.
Liwen's the sexy one.
That's correct. I am the sexy one.